Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this issue for Prado J150. This is for petrol. That's a 2TL. The issue had an issue and could not start the car, so we are on bench after corrections. So we have already repaired the issue, and now we are testing if while on bench it will work. And you see, I've already connected to the diagnosis machine. This is the Autel 608. You see, so that's where the communication line there lies. This is the breakout box, and the ECU confirms that it's okay. You see communication of the CAN. It's very okay. So in case you need a search service for ECU repairs and maybe programming, we will do that for you anytime. Just give us a call. Kevin Auto Insider, thank you.